Hey, crypto family. So it looks like the market is taking a little breather today. See the market cap's at 136 billion. A lot of the coins are either down a couple percent or up a couple percent. Bitcoin has actually risen a little bit from yesterday. It's sitting at $4,239, up 0.21%. XRP is down 2.7% to 37.6 cents. Ethereum's down 4% to $116. Stellar's up 1.3% to 16.3 cents. And then Bitcoin Cash, again, underperforming, down 4.7% to $178. Now, Bitcoin SV, it's up a little bit, 2% to $97. So again, we're going to have to see what happens with this Bitcoin Cash SV war. It's still going on, but it seems like this is settling down as well. Now, looking at the market here, or looking at Bitcoin actually, we're going to talk about, you can see, yesterday I was talking about it needing to hold that $4,100 level. So when we talked about it last time, it was sitting on this green 9, and I mentioned that it's likely that it will turn to the downside, but I was hoping we could at least hold this 4,100 level or at least 4,000. Now, you can see it went to a low of $4,090, but it regained that 4,100 support and since has closed above 4,100 for the past day. Now, that's very bullish. If we can hold this 4,100, I believe we can start climbing to new highs. And then the next resistance again is around 4,500 here, and then that psychological $5,000 level. So, but the good news, I mean, we did get to a high of $4,423 here. So again, there are some buyers. I think a lot of the sellers are overexposed right now. That could be a good position for a short squeeze, which means, when the sellers are forced to buy back in, once a flood of buyers come in, thus rising the price even more. So we'll have to see what happens with that. And then again, this RSI I keep talking about is during that downturn, it was staying below the $37 level or the 37 level. And when it broke above that, as long as we maintain above that 37 level, then we will continue to see positive price action. So again, I'll be watching that and seeing what happens. Now, some news today that looks very interesting was it talks about Floyd Mayweather and DJ Khalid were knocked out by the SEC probe into ICO promos. So basically, they were caught promoting an ICO that paid them to do so, and they did not disclose that they were getting paid to promote this ICO. So in a sense, it was false advertising. And it says, pro boxing champ Floyd Mayweather and producer DJ Khaled agreed to pay the Security Exchange Commissions a combined $767,500 to settle charges of illegally promoting ICOs. And this is something I want to talk about is all these celebrities promoting ICOs. So anytime a celebrity is promoting a cryptocurrency, you can almost guarantee that they're getting paid to promote that cryptocurrency. So you really can't take anything they say at face value, because ICOs know that celebrities, have access to a ton of people. They have a large audience. So if they pay them, then, anyone that sees that will in turn buy that cryptocurrency. So just keep that in mind when you see celebrities promoting those. And it says, in Mayweather's case, the SEC found that he did not disclose promotional payments he received from 3 ICO issuers, including $100,000 from crypto startup Centra Tech. And it said the SEC also found that Mayweather never disclosed that he was paid $200,000 to promote 2 other ICOs. And you can see on his Instagram post, you can call me Floyd Crypto Mayweather from now on. And that was on August 23rd. And then it talks about DJ Khaled here was paid $50,000 from Centra Tech. And then it says Khaled agreed to pay a $100,000 penalty, $50,000 in disgorgement, and $27.25 in prejudgment interest. So they were forced to pay the SEC back all of that money that they made, as well as other fees. And they've also agreed not to be included in any ICOs for the next 2 to 3 years. So again, you can see the SEC is starting to go after all of these scams, all of these, these ideas of celebrities misinterpreting their involvement in ICOs, and they're really cracking down on it, which is good for the consumer because, it helps filter out all of, the toxicity in the crypto space. So just something to keep in mind when you do see celebrities promoting ICOs. So just something I want to point out, and, the SEC is starting to come down more and trying to make it to where the crypto market isn't so manipulated and so volatile. Now, last article is just talking about the crypto market, taking a breather after a slight jump yesterday. So basically, I already went over this. Now, something I want to focus on is towards the bottom of this article here. It talks about, The decentralized internet protocol Tron announced its plans today to launch a blockchain gaming fund dubbed Tron Arcade. Now, I'm personally not invested in Tron, but I do know that there are a lot of Tron supporters. So right now it's up 4%, and they are doing a lot of things. So it's just something to keep in mind when you're looking at coins. You want to look for some that have big support. I know XRP has big support backed by it. Of course, Bitcoin does. But a lot of these coins tend to perform well in bull markets. So it seems like Tron's doing a lot. I've seen a lot of people trying to promote it on different YouTube channels. And you can see here that they are still having developments made. So just something to keep in mind when you are looking at different coins to invest in. And then also Ledger has updated its support for Monero for its Nano S device. So now Ledger covers over 90% of the entire crypto market capitalization. So that's pretty cool, and it's good to see that Ledger is just adding more support, because I mentioned exchanges. You don't want to keep your coins on an exchange because you never know when those exchanges could fall under. They could come under regulation from the SEC and be shut down. I mean, we saw Mt. Gox, what happened with that. Everyone lost their coins and lost their fiat. So, it's always smart to keep your device, or to keep your coins on a cold wallet. So, something offline like a Nano S, or just a paper wallet. Something where you have your private key and it's secure and it's offline is just the safest way to go. But with that, that was all I had for today. So if y'all enjoyed this video, please give it a like, comment if you have any questions or you like the video, and then please subscribe to it. It helps my channel grow a lot, and I would really appreciate it. So with that, till next time, thanks for watching.